wait. I know say if I leave una go talk this sports till tomorrow. But I don't know whether una be shareholders for all this club. I wan ask una the one wey dey for Nigeria now. This matter, NDDC heads take 30% off contract sum. Now as Vanguard take talk am, wetin una see to talk for this matter? With all the kata for NDDC contract, no give contract, send a different.
NDDC contract.
You know they know. To me, family, I'm from the Niger Delta. Never go there.
Okay.
You understand? What happened actually that they knew what is happening. Before Akpabio came to accuse National Assembly that most of the contract been awarded to the top men in National Assembly. So they knew he had that day. Yes. Mr. Minister, it's okay. Don't say anything again. We are okay. It's okay. Turn off the. It's okay because they have knew that he have been start inching them. And more further of him coming that he will get. So that's why they say it's okay. Don't say so. In Nigeria, it's like sport. We are arguing to Arsenal. We know the leakage and the consequence of Arsenal not being in top 4 because they have not been signing good players. You understand? So
it's not signing good players.
But in politics in Nigeria, as we all say, winner took toward all. So as APC there on top, everybody now, you know, when you are in PDP, you are criminal. As soon as you come to APC, you are sent. So the new team created begins in your new life with new politics. Take a look what happened this morning in Edo State. In 2016, Obaseki was in APC and were proven that he was the best candidate. But look at in 2020 now, he took over PDP. Why is Ayamu come back to APC? So in Nigerian politics, you can't tell.
That is politics for you.
For you, NDDC contract given to who? As I'm talking to an indigenous of a full citizen of Akwa Ibom said, what do you even offer? We come Lagos here to be miserable, looking for a job. Look at me without working at Jackie, could not head. And if you go to my mom's backyard, you see oil pipe. In the afternoon, when you put on here, you hear that drum of crude oil moving. I even told my mom, should you go to drive? But he said, no, don't do anything. Yes. But at the end, we are here roaming around suffering. They said they issue contract. Who are the contract? Does it mean the Niger Delta region people, the youth do not have competent enough? We are trained enough. What about those that they send to go outside and train in different fields? Which position do they compare today that show that these are from people from Niger Delta? Every negotiation of Niger Delta, discussion of a fair contract, assume and resume and paralyzed in Abuja. Which of the headquarters have you seen? All the oil company headquarters in Abuja, in Lagos, how many of them are there? Even in Mobi, in my place. Last year they brought about 5 police. Out of 105 police, 99 were coming out of Akwa Ibom State. No one were indigenous. So what are you talking about? They know how they will get to do. They know whatever way they do. Like if I'm to be Buhari, you don't even need to fight more. He knew how to. Anybody that he stole this money, tell him to go to his state in community. Every one of them present local government community. Use that money you stole, develop, even borehole. Do something there. Forget about. I remember one year the EFCC gone for one man that is evicted under corruption. But out of the money the man stole, he had 40 companies in the whole world, both included Nigeria. He did not have anything of his own after Buhari ordered position of that case that no more further about case. Because when they find that man, all the money they claim to his stored, he make use of it here in Nigeria. There is no own mansion in Dubai or in UK and whatever it is. So in the NCC, to me, looking about this in headline every day, like this morning I've seen it, Good Morning Nigeria, Kingsley and Kiran, they read it every day. Is in fact, it's our photocopy of watching newspaper. Everybody, NDCC do this, NCC do that. To me, I count myself out because I don't get anything from them. No development, nothing. The youth are suffering in Niger Delta, which of course our girls are there, roaming around, prostitution and everything. So what are they putting in place? Who are they worth this contract to? Who are they helping? Nothing. All of us know.
Akpabio release some names. So release some names.
Where is the name today?
He released some names.
Where are the names? Ibori, is it the new man?
Udoha is there.
Oh, Ibori is not new person. Ibori have been found already £1 million in his drawer. So those people case have been there. We're talking about the news dispensation. All of them, they are there, they know what to do.
And they are fainting.
Yes, of course, from APC to PDP, from PDP to APC. So I think we need to see new party that will come to merge. Let this PDP, APC,
the same thing like this Edo now.
And see what will happen.
If you check this Edo now, PDP and APC, like you they talked before. PDP last year they accused wetin be their governor name
Yamu.
No be Yamu, Obaseki. Say he no get papers.
Everything he come
but
up.
now
Oshomole told him that he's the best soul of candidate in Edo State. Everything there, and he won the election.
Yamu then Oshomole dey accuse Yamu say
of criminal.
Na drop out, he no finish his school, he no go
he's not competent.
He's not competent.
But this year now, he's the righteous. For APC.
For Benin now, for Edo State. But and that's why I go look. They talk about violence. Say this election we don't want to go fit trigger violence because the two parties, you know, say now, but for that reason, I cause their problem.
Yeah, well, when I see one video when I see where they say lions, tigers.
Yeah, you know, Palace, the attack. They see reason this morning.
So guys, you've heard it from the parliament. The people have spoken and they have been heard, both from sports and of course politics. Here on F.A.R, you get to hear it all. My name is Chiomaagwunobi on the streets of Lagos here on F.A.R, the free association for readers.